Hello, I'm Masterchef Tim, and you're watching Masterchef Tim. Today on Masterchef Tim, I'm going to be teaching you how to cook a very important dish that not a lot of people know how to cook very well, and that's an egg salad. So the first thing you need for an egg salad is your egg. So step one for cooking an egg salad is you need to cut your egg. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so step one, what you need for making your egg salad is to boil your egg. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we'll come back and show you what to do when that's finished. Okay, so we've had the egg boiling for a couple hours now, so we are ready to go with the next step. So what you want to do is you want to take the egg out. Oh jeez, that's hot. And after that, I find the flavor to be much better if you remove the peel of the egg. If you like a crunchier salad, like some people like crunchier salads, you can leave that peel on there. I have a more delicate tongue, so I like to take this off. Just personal preference. And then of course the next thing you want to do is you want to make a series of incisions down the egg in about the size of a lettuce leaf, because essentially what you're doing is rather than making a salad with like a lettuce or spinach or whatnot, you're just making it with an egg. So now there's a number of different salads that people like. You can have Thousand Island, you can have zesty Italian, you can have ranch. So my personal favorite is Caesar salad. So today we're going to be making Caesar egg salad. So what you do is you just take your Caesar. Now a lot of these things on here, they have a little tab on there, and you can just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and the stuff won't come out. So make sure that's off. Mine's off. See, I already made an egg salad a little while ago. And then you just want to like put like a little bit in there, not too much. And then the next thing is you need to mix it. So the best way to do that is you just take your plate, you put it over top, and then just give it a good little mix there for a bit. Now, the last step in any good Caesar egg salad is obviously croutons. So now you can buy croutons at the store, but if you're a classier member of society, like say Queen Elizabeth II or Miley Cyrus's dance choreographer, you can make your own. So all you need is just a few simple, common, everyday things that you're find in your kitchen. So here's what you need: a welding helmet, a slice of bread, and a homemade flamethrower. Now you can easily make one of these out of your dad's barbecue tank and your mom's garden hose. I recommend waiting until they're on vacation for a weekend is perfect, because you'll need to cook for yourself anyway. So, you want to dry out the bread, turn the heat up a bit. Perfect. Perfect. So what you're looking for is this nice golden brown texture, that, well, dark golden brown. And so now we'll just cut that up and use them for our croutons. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut up the croutons and put them in the salad. And now you're ready to try your Caesar egg salad. Croutons are good and crispy. This is a Caesar egg salad. I'm Master Chef Tim, and you're welcome.